Hi everybody, it's Linnea. Welcome back to another Friday Frenzy video. Today I'm going to be using the brand new Haunted Halloween papers, as well as a couple of other stamp sets. The Spooks and Spells is from a recent release, and You're My Boo is from last year's Halloween release from Whimsy Stamps. So these Haunted Halloween papers are absolutely gorgeous and perfect for creating the easiest scenes that you have ever made. So I went ahead and I colored some images from the Spooks and Spells stamp set. I have the little bat as well as the little witch's legs that are kind of coming up from the ground. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to make two scenes. So I took this one haunted graveyard paper and I trimmed it down so that it is 4 inches wide but 5.5 inches tall. I'm going to stamp and white heat emboss a sentiment from the You're My Boo stamp set, and this stamp set is full of so many different sentiment pieces. So it's a builder stamp set. You can build pretty much any Halloween sentiment that you can think of. All I'm going to do is just line these up in my Misty stamping tool and heat emboss them with white powder. I was careful to use my anti-static powder tool so I didn't have little white flecks everywhere. And my sentiment is going to read, "Have a Frightful Halloween." So I white heat embossed that large script Halloween right onto my pattern paper. And I built the "Have a Frightful" onto a white cardstock strip. All three of those words are separate, so you could just say, "Have a happy Halloween." I obviously did "Have a Frightful Halloween," but "Have a Spooky Halloween" you could do. There's so many different sentiments that you can build. One for anything that you would want. I'm just going to create a little banner for my sentiment and adhere that with foam tape. I wanted to have a little glitz and glam to this card because it is so simple. I wanted a little something extra. So I cut a couple of strips of black glitter cardstock, and then I'm going to add my easy peasy scene right on top of that. And seriously, you guys, this took like 10 minutes tops, and that includes coloring those little images. Let's move on to the second card, which is just as easy as this first one. I have these little witch's legs from the Spooks and Spells stamp set, and the hardest part about this card was deciding how I wanted to trim down this pattern paper. I am terrible with pattern paper because it kills me to cut it up. So when I buy pattern paper, I buy 2 packs, one to look at and one to use, so that I always have extra. I finally decided to do a landscape style card, and I heat embossed that scripty word "treat" from the You're My Boo stamp set, and then I pieced together the sentiment that says "trick or," and then I also have that little strip down at the bottom that says "smell my feet." I thought that was super cute to go with the little image that I chose. I'm going to play around and figure out where I want to put that image. I couldn't decide if I wanted to have it outside of the coffin or have it look like it was coming out of the top. I decided to put it on the ground right in front. I thought that looked the most natural. I popped that up with some foam tape, and that's it. Look at these 2 easy cards using new and old products from Whimsy Stamps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you found some inspiration. Be sure to head over to the Whimsy Stamps store. You can pick up all of these goodies there and create your own simple Halloween scene cards. I hope that you're loving the Friday Frenzy features. Come back next Friday. I'm going to be using some more new Whimsy Stamps products that are not yet released, and then I'm also going to be using this die set, the quilted rainbow inlaid die set. I'll just be using that little outer piece there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.